Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by assembling the only way ingredients. 2 cups packed spinach, 2 cloves garlic, 1/4 cup olive oil, 1/4 cup heavy cream, and 1/4 cup grated Parmesan. Bring a pot of salted water to a boil and blanch the spinach for 30 seconds, then transfer to an ice bath to stop cooking and keep vibrant color. While the spinach cools, finely mince the garlic. Measure 1/2 teaspoon salt and 1/8 teaspoon black pepper, and set a blender ready for a smooth sauce. Heat a medium skillet over medium heat and add 1/4 cup olive oil. Sauté the minced garlic for 60 to 90 seconds until fragrant but not brown to avoid bitterness. Wring excess water from the blanched spinach and add it to a blender with the garlic, 1/4 cup heavy cream, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan, and 1/2 teaspoons salt. Blend to a silky, pourable consistency. Test thickness and, if needed, thin the sauce with 2 to 4 tablespoons of reserved pasta cooking water to reach a clingy yet smooth texture. Cook 12 ounces of the pasta of your choice until al dente according to package time, then reserve 2 tablespoons of the pasta cooking water. Return the drained pasta to the pan over low heat, add the blended spinach sauce and the reserved 2 tablespoons of water, and toss until every strand is evenly coated. This takes about 1 to 2 minutes. Taste and adjust seasoning with 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, a pinch of nutmeg, or another tablespoon of Parmesan. Serve immediately with a drizzle of olive oil and optional lemon zest for bright contrast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.